Today, we're comparing the latest flagships from Apple and Samsung. Get ready for a bezel battle royale. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max has taken bezel reduction to the next level. With a 30% decrease in bezel size compared to its predecessor, it's a stunning edge-to-edge display. But Samsung isn't far behind. Rumors suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra will boast even thinner bezels. The bezel war between Samsung and Apple has been raging for years, shaping the design of both devices. Let's compare the designs. Both phones feature sleek, premium builds, but Samsung's rumored to take it up a notch. Will the Galaxy S25 Ultra's thinner bezels give it the edge? Leaked information from Ice Universe reveals Samsung's plans to decrease bezel size by 0.2 mm. Samsung's on a mission to outdo Apple. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 0.2 mm bezel reduction. It may seem modest, but it's a giant leap for Samsung's design. But that's not all. The Galaxy S25 Plus is rumored to receive a significant power boost. With Samsung's roadmap in mind, we can expect exciting upgrades. Although the Galaxy S25 Plus may resemble its predecessor, we're eager to see what Samsung has in store. Leaks and rumors are flooding the internet, and we've got the scoop. The Galaxy S25 Plus looks familiar yet fresh. With flat edges, round corners, and a cutout selfie camera, it's a sleek design. But what's new? The primary cameras boast a bigger profile with Galaxy Z Fold 6 inspired rings. According to Android headlines, the S25 Plus measures 158.4 by 75.7 by 7.3 mm, making it slightly slimmer than its predecessor. The 6.7-inch LTPO display supports 1 to 120 Hz variable refresh rate. WinFuture reveals the S25 Plus will pack a 4,900 mAh battery, matching the Galaxy S24 Plus. Plus, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will power the entire S25 series globally. But that's not all. The S25 series may introduce satellite connectivity, allowing users to contact aid in emergency situations, even without cellular signal. OnLeaks exclusive renderings reveal the Galaxy S25's sleek design. Noticeably slimmer bezels and a familiar yet refined look. Ice Universe reveals the Galaxy S25's bezels are even slimmer than expected. Matching the S25 Ultra, this could be the smallest bezel on a smartphone yet. The S25 is 0.4 mm thinner than its predecessor, making it a sleek 7.5 mm thick. Samsung's committed to making the entire S25 range more compact and portable. Notice the camera lenses? They're inspired by the S24, but with a fresh ring style. Will this design tweak improve performance or just aesthetics? Ice Universe weighs in on the design choices. Will the new camera ring style be a dust magnet? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The Samsung Galaxy S25's design is shaping up to be a game changer. Stay tuned for more updates.